Stop breathing laser smoke. Today, we're setting up the ultimate high-efficiency laser fume extractor. Let's see what is inside. The system comes completely ready to go. You get the main purifier unit with multi-stage HEPA filters pre-installed, the flexible extraction arm, the collection hood, and the power cable. Assembly takes less than a minute. Simply attach the flexible arm to the top of the unit, secure the collection hood, and bend the arm into your desired position. Plug it in and you are ready for a clean workspace. Turn on the unit now, then use the button to select the fan speed. Now let's see it in action. We are running a laser marking job that generates heavy smoke. Watch what happens when we turn the extractor on. The powerful suction instantly captures the fumes, filtering out harmful particles and odors before releasing clean air back into your room. Protect your health and keep your workplace clean. Contact us to purchase a laser fume extractor today.